Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Now this video is going to be a bit different than the previous videos that I have made, and this is going to be a very quick one, and the reason for that is because this is a video that I dedicated to announce to you guys that the next couple of videos will be dedicated to creating this little game here. And maybe it's not that exciting like the idea of the game, but when we build it, you see how good you will feel that you have actually built something. And let me first walk you through really quickly of the current game design, and by current I mean of what I have thought about for now. And probably this will change. I mean, we could be adding more and more stuff, but let me just walk you through really quickly. It's really simple though. So we've got this player here. Oops, no, that one. We've got this player, which is going to be effectively us, or whoever's playing the game, and then there will be enemies. So if we read this text here, there will be a player, us, who will be shooting not shooting but shooting at enemies, some type of characters, right? This could be zombies, this could be anything. And on successful shoot, the score, which is that one here, will be increased by 10, or whatever you want to give as a value. The enemies will be spawned every 10 seconds, or again, you will be able to change that to whatever you want, because you are the creator, so you can make the game suits your needs. So this is very, very simple, but there will be more stuff like, what if we couldn't have for example, player is going to have health, and each attack of the enemy, successful attack dealt on the player, will do, for example, 5 damage or whatever. There's so many details that I haven't put there, so this is just a top level overview of the game, just to give you guys an idea. And most of the stuff that we are going to be discussing and facing when we're creating this game, we have already covered in the previous videos, right? So I kept telling you guys that we are going to create a game since day one from this tutorial series, and finally we are actually going to create something. And here I have also created, where's my cursor? Here I've also created some possible additions. Now this probably will be put in the tutorial series, but we could also make more additions. However, the additional additions will not be in the tutorial series. However, there will be just challenges for you guys to add to your game. And keep in mind that whatever I'm doing for the future videos, you feel free to follow me, but also keep changing stuff. Like, for example, if I say the score will be increased by 10, but you're like, but 10 is too little, or 10 is too much, then feel free to change that to whatever you want, right? There's no rule like as to what the score will be. And of course, I also didn't say that, but we will have some type of level system. So for now we'll have level 1 only, but possibly, or I have it actually as an addition here, which is add more levels. So if we have killed all enemies, then we're going to proceed to the next level. Here I also have add different types of enemies. For example, a boss, a stronger or weaker enemies, which I have put in here, and all that good stuff. So without any further ado, guys, jump to the next video, and there we'll be discussing more in depth, and which will be showing you I will be showing you how to create this game. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video. Hopefully you are excited as I am.